Hello, so this is 61BL Summer 21 Final, question 6B. Um, so in this question, we're given an array form of a heap. And again, this is a min heap, right? Or supposed to be a min heap, but we want to heapify this array so the heap property is satisfied for every element, right? So the heap version or the tree version of this array would look something like that, right? Just level order. And whenever we do bottom-up heapification, we will look at the last element of the second to last level, which basically means this 4, right? So this is the last element of the second to last level. And I will start doing my my bubble down operations from this element. So I'll first bubble 4 down, then I'll bubble 5 down, and then I'll bubble 6 down, right? So in that order. So when I look at 4, I will compare the value 4 to the values of its children. So I see that, okay, 4 is greater than 1 and 4 is greater than 0. So I'll swap it with the smaller value, which in this case is just 0 and 4, right? So now I have one swap, right? I just made one swap so far. Okay, the next thing I'll do is I'll look at 5, right? And I'll try to look at 5's children, which is 3 and 2, and I'll swap it with the smaller value again. Okay, only if the heap property is not satisfied, which it is not in this case. So I will swap 5 and 2. And now I got the second swap, right? The third thing I'll do is I'll look at 6, right? And I'll compare 6 with the values of its children. And again, swap it with the smaller value, right? So between 2 and 0, 6 would swap with 0 because it is greater than 0 and it should be below 0 in the heap. So I'll swap 6 and 0, account for this swap as well. So that's 3 swaps total. And we're not done yet because 6 can still go further down. So we'll keep bubbling it down as long as the heap property is not satisfied. So now I'll compare 6 with 1 and 4. And now I see that, okay, 6 is still greater than both of these values. So I'll swap it with the smaller value out of 1 and 4, which is 1. And I'll just swap them. Right? And now my heap property is satisfied. My array has been heapified completely, and I got a total of 4 swaps. Okay, the final state of the array is just going to be this tree heap, but in level order, in that I will go in this order. Okay, just level by level from left to right. So when I look at this heap, I see 0, then 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, and 4. Just again, going in this order, right? First 0, then 2, 1, then 3, 5, and 6, 4. Okay. And this option matches with, I think this matches with third option, which should be the answer.